We are finally in December month, and most of you are probably looking forward to finishing your reading goals, or maybe you're looking for something quick or easy to read. So, for you, I have few short story or novella recommendations. All of the books in this list, I have either given 3 or 4 stars. I'm still recommending 3 stars because I think those were widely loved by other people, even if I had some issues with that. But overall, it was a good read. So first, we are starting with horror. So first book I recommend is Sour Candy. This is about this man Phil, who one day at Walmart sees this woman with this kid who's throwing a tantrum and asking for a sour candy, and he kind of intervenes and his life goes downhill from there. So overall, this was a very short and creepy book. It is around 84 pages, and the ending was quite gruesome, and I really liked that one. I read this in 2023, and I can still remember some part of it, so it was very memorable for me. Next one is Cenote. This is a very short book of 27 pages, but it really left an impact. This is a very short aquatic horror about this couple who get trapped in this underwater cave, and there's some monstrous figure is following them, and they are not sure who that is. I wish it was a little longer, but the tension was very good, and I really like the ending. It's a good horror recommendation if you are looking for a very quick bite-sized horror. Next is Rest Stop by Nat Cassidy. Nat Cassidy is one author who is really famous for his short stories. So I picked this one because this is the premise I like the most. Rest Stop is about Abe, who on his way to see his grandmother, his sick grandmother, he stops at this rest stop and gets locked inside this gas station bathroom at night. Soon he finds that there's some unexpected guest inside the bathroom, and things start getting worse and worse as the time goes by. He soon finds out that even the outside is not safe for him. It was overall very gory and stress inducing for me. I was not very huge fan of the ending. The ending goes on some other tangent which I was not a huge fan of. But before that, it was a solid 4 star for me. So I really recommend this one. Next, we are starting with classics. I have 3 classics that I really want to recommend. These are very short and very crisp and are very accessible to read also for a classic. First is The Metamorphosis. This is about this man who one day wakes up in the body of this insect, monstrous vermin, and how his family and society react to this and start eating him forms the crux of the story. So this is very philosophical and a very quick read with a very deeper meaning of humanity. At the end of this read, you will find yourself analyzing things very closely. It's a good read for that. This was highly accessible for me to read. Next is No One Writes the Colonel by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. This is about this retired colonel and his sick wife who are waiting for his pension that was promised by the government for the last 15 years. This is about their life situation they are living in. This is very bleak with the beautiful writing of the author. I kind of gave this 3 stars because the ending felt quite unsatisfying, but this is loved by many people out there. If you want to start with his book, this is a great way to start. You will get a sample of his writing style. Definitely a book that portrays desolate situation of humanity. This is a good read for that. Third classic is The Lottery by Shirley Jackson. This is a very unsettling short story about the darker side of humanity and what happens when you blindly follow old tradition, which are not fair. The way this started very lightful or dark and suspenseful by the end, it created a tension and feeling of anxiety towards you throughout. I can see this being inspiration for many dystopian stories out there. Next come one sci-fi recommendation. This is The Test by Sylvain Novel. It's about this dystopian world where one has to pass this messed up test to get British citizenship. So we are following this character, this man who's taking this test, and how absurd the test gets as we further get into it. And it's like a Black Mirror episode. So if you like those one, you will definitely love this one. This is a very short book. It will definitely keeps you unsettled throughout the story. Next is Six Deaths of the Sand by Alex E. Harrow. It will be better for you to get into this book without knowing much. It's a short story of 31 pages, but very impactful and heartbreaking. Beautiful writing with very heartbreaking story. You will definitely find yourself melancholic by the end of this. Next is one literary fiction recommendation by this Indian author, Kacha Gocha by Vivek Shanbag. I was not a huge fan of this book, but this is another book which is widely popular among the readers. People really love this one. This is about this poor joint family who gets successful in business and becomes quite rich. We see the consequences of this prosperity and the dynamic of this family structure after they become rich. This was described as ultimately menacing story, but I did not find it that menacing enough for me and that suspenseful enough for me. So overall, I liked reading about this joint family, but the intent of the author, subtle way he took the route, that was not enough for me. But people really love this one, and if you really like the premise, this is a good read for you. You can definitely pick this one up. I have two short non-fiction recommendation for you. First one is Who Moved My Cheese. This book talks about how to deal with changes in your personal and professional life. If you are chasing an objective which is no longer available, how to cope with that and how to shift your focus and step out of your comfort zone. So overall, this was a very quick but effective read. Next is Think Straight by Darius Foro. It's not a philosophical exploration, but the experience of author as he tells you about things and how to train your mind to more pragmatic way. For a quick motivational read and a very short book under 100 pages, this will definitely give you some nuggets of wisdom to make you motivated in life. So if you are looking for a quick buster of motivation, this is definitely a book you can choose. That's it for the recommendations. These are some of the books which are on very shorter side. I can make another video for under 250 pages book. That will be short books instead of short stories or novella. I would love to know your recommendations and your thoughts on these books and what other novella that you can recommend to me that I should read, as I am also looking forward to my reading goal for the year. Comment below and let me know. See you next time. Bye.